My name's Anthony. I am one of the directors of Samurai Promotions, or Samurai Trampoline Products. We are the leading supplier of branded goods to the trampoline market across the UK, Europe, and we're even in the US. Here's a collection of things that we actually offer, whether it's mainly socks is a key component, it's clothing, party packs, dodgeballs, retail solutions, uniform options. There's a broad range of things that you can purchase through us as a complete solution for that sector. That's us.
I think the conference here in London for us has been great. All the European parks coming down and owners to the conference. A lot more suppliers now, as you can see here at the conference, which is great. Great venue, London venue, I think, which brings the Europeans here. A lot of the UK guys as well, which are most of our clients. We work as a company with about 75% of the trampoline market, and it seems that pretty much all our clients are IATP members. I think they get a hell of a lot from this conference, from all sorts of ideas for their park to the safety standard, and everybody seems to be buzzing this week. It's great.
Like all things, you can do things average and do things quite good, but when you look at the evolution of, say, clothing's evolved now to become more technical. It's not just a cotton product that has a branding, an embroidery, a print on. It evolves, so you develop a range of lines that use performance fabrics that are relevant to a performance activity as trampolining is. Then things like we go back to our socks. We've developed different materials, different products within that same sector that helps evolve and give a bit more depth to what we're offering.
So we'll talk about our socks first of all, and as Europe's #1 supplier, we have to keep evolving our products, and the sock is one of those products that we evolve quite regularly with our clients. And having been in the industry in the UK since its infancy, about 3.5, 4 years ago, we've worked with all the park owners to get to a point where they're really happy with quality, really happy with the different types of sock they can get. So we go from our basic sort of trampoline sock here, where we have different colour gel on the bottom. This is our X-Gel concept here, which we believe is the best in the market. And then we have, as you can see here, one of our South African friends. Our clients in South Africa, they have different colours on the sock, so it jazzes it up a little bit, makes it look pretty cool. But there are many, many different designs, and we go into theme socks, where we have camouflage socks. We have cancer research socks here, we do with charity with some of our clients. We have Christmas socks as well, so Father Christmas or the reindeer will be on them for our theme. Halloween, all that type of thing. Different materials are used, so there's cotton, there's polyester, but really our sock is a performance sock now. We've got to a point where it's a sports performance sock, obviously with the gel on the bottom to aid the gripping, health and safety, and also hygiene as well as premium these parks, and we need to get that right as well. So yeah, they've evolved really well, and I think 75% of the parks in the UK that we supply now. So
we've put together here a range of accessories, clothing, retail-ready product that showcases depth of ideas and things that you can do when they're all coordinated together. Within that collection, it helps visualize what a client can do with their own brand. When you put it in a slat wall retail display, it professionally delivers a solution for their consumers to then generate business from and monetize their business a little bit further. So what we put together here, it's a showcase of a clothing collection for one of our clients. It covers a depth of different components, from leggings through to polo shirts, t-shirts. There's different types of fits of product and vest tops. And the technique we've used on the branding is this sublimation. So basically it's a printing process that runs and floods through the material. It's technical, and when it's put together like this and it demonstrates what a client can do with their uniform, it stands out, and it's a representation of a client's brand. Visitors go into a park, they want to, they expect in the modern day world a professional uniform look and theme.
And this also then can evolve into a retail range as well, which a lot of the parks are getting involved in now. And some are using their staff to be walking mannequins and model the clothing, and then you can then advertise that and have a retail range that sells really well in your park as well.